Real quick before this video starts, make sure you follow me at 415 Kodak on Twitter and also GFX COMET, and we also got a Discord server. So if you're interested, join, and I hope you enjoy this video. Before we get this video started, make sure you use the code YouTube for 15% off on all products on gfxcomet.com. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the website. Alright, welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be a new series. Well, not really new, but if you can see here, we're going to be making the Adopt Me UI, recreating it. But we have started this series before, our designer Aditya, but it never got finished. So I'm just going to be remaking that video series. So yeah, so there's going to be a ton of videos that are going to drop, so make sure you stay tuned. But yeah, anyways, let's get started with this one. This is what we're gonna make. This is actually very simple, so yeah, let's get right into it. First things first, we're gonna go here. Yours should be on rectangle tool by default, so what you want to do is you want to go over, click and hold, and you can move to the rounded rectangle tool. Once you're over here, just let go, and stroke, we're gonna click this, click on the slash mark to turn it off. Fill, we're gonna click on the black square to turn it on, and for the radius, we're gonna do, I want to say around 25. We're gonna go to one corner and just drag out, as you can see. Alright, that looks good. Alright, we're just gonna move this aside. Now we're gonna go here, make a new layer, use our pen tool. Alright, and we're just going to trace this this little cut here, as you can see. Now I'm gonna take this, alright, I'm gonna change the color, so double click, go to red, and I'm just going to move this to our shape, as you can see. Now I'm going to right click on our rectangle, this one, go to rasterize layer. Alright, now I'm gonna hold control, click on the red shape, this little thumbnail icon, this cursor thing should appear, your rectangle, and just hit backspace twice, Control D to get rid of the selection. As you can see, now we have a cut, and what we could do is we could go double click, color overlay, change the color to white, as you can see, and make a new layer. We're gonna go to our pencil. Here are my settings. It's on shape. I think yours should be on path by default. Just change it to shape. Fill is on, stroke is off. And now we're just going to click here, and we're gonna click here, but we're just going to drag. We're gonna click here again and connect to the first point. To get rid of this blue outline, you can hit Control Shift X on your keyboard. And we're just gonna use our pencil, move this, change the color to white. We're just gonna use the same white. Alright, so you could go right click, blending options. We're gonna add a drop shadow, as you can see, and we're just going to change the angle to match that one, just like that. We're gonna increase the spread and turn down the distance. Increase the size, just trying to match it as best as possible, as you can see. Let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna drop this down. Alright, make a new layer on top of the first rounded rectangle, but below the shape. So there we go. Now we're gonna make these little blue stripes. So let's go here, click and hold to our rectangle. We're just going to match these stripes, as you can see. Let's take this and go here. Let's take the blue. Let's put it right here. Alright, and for the rectangle, you want to right click and go to rasterize layer style. And we're going to take this, right click, and go to create clipping mask. What this is going to do is it's going to clip it right into the shape. As you can see, it won't go outside of the shape. So if you hold Alt and the Shift and drag, this will make a copy instantly. As you can see, we're just gonna make copies like that. We're gonna stretch all the way. There we go. Right, and perfect. Alright, now we got that done. Let's take this. Oops, wrong one. Take the original shape, and we're gonna add a drop shadow. Alright, angle probably 90. Let me see on the example. Alright, so 90, distance all the way down. You got some spread, got some size. Alright, looks good. Now let's move on to this part. It's very simple. Make a new layer. We're gonna go to our pencil. Right, color zone white. Click over here. Click. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. But let's do that. Here, go up. Looks good. We could right click on the rectangle. We could go copy layer style. Right click on this one and paste layer style to instantly copy the effects over. Make a new layer, and we're also gonna create this right here. So there we go, and let's go up here. Looks good. Let's change the color, orange, and we're just gonna place it right here. Right. So this one is as it should be. Let's copy and paste. You could just flip these around, I guess, but I'm gonna take this and change the color to the same blue. Alright, and let's turn this off. Okay, so we got these two. There we go. For the text, I'm not sure what font they use, but I'm just gonna type out choose a role. There we go. Let me see if I have a similar font. I don't think I do. Actually, let me see this one. This is not bad. Alright. Choose a role. For these icons, I'm not sure if you want to copy exactly how they did theirs. I think you should use your own, but if you want to copy these icons, just the same thing. Use your ellipse tool for this part, pen tool these. Yeah. And add some more text, so let's put baby right here. Oops. Alright. Adopt a baby. Alright, I'm gonna use a free image for the Thumbtack. Let's just place this one right over here. Right. And then take this, Control T, right click, flip horizontal and vertical. Place this one right here, Control U. This will open up the hue saturation where you could change the color, as you can see. So there we go. Rotate it just a bit, and as you can see, we have the finished results. Let me just take everything and group it all up, and yeah, that's basically it. This is the first part of many. Yeah, make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna get right into the other parts of this Adopt Me UI. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, post notifications are turned on, and that's it for this one. I'm gonna see you guys next time.